Vice President Chiwenga made a bold political statement Monday morning when he arrived at the National Heroes Acre wearing a plain black scarf, a stark departure from the Zimbabwean flag. Themed scarf that President Mnangagwa has turned into his personal trademark since the 2017 coup. Zanabana mashoko arikuda panguva inoi. Anoonekwa kunzi VP Chiwenga vataura mashoko ari very loud. Aonekwa kunzi kunyange zvavo vasina kutaura any single word, but kuuya vachi feature nescarf yeblack vachibva kune mascarf anopfekewa emakalakala eflag yedu yeZimbabwe. Wanyatsokuona kunzi VP aiwa vabva murongwa wezvigananda. Ndiri kusubscribe like on the bell kuti ibina munomubuda nyumba muchenzi Mnangagwa signature scarf, now synonymous with his rule, has been widely adopted by ministers, ZANU-PF officials and his supporters who use it as a symbol of loyalty and supposed patriotism. Critics argue the scarf has been weaponized to extort businesses, silence dissent, and project allegiance to the Mnangagwa faction of the ruling party. Chiwenga's choice to wear a neutral black scarf at a high-profile state event has been interpreted as a subtle but deliberate snap of Mnangagwa's political branding, coming amid persistent rumors of deepening factional tensions within ZANU-PF. The move is likely to fuel speculation about the looming leadership rift ahead of the party's next elective congress. President Mnangagwa yesterday morning presided over the burial of Liberation War veteran Luke Mushore, known by his Chiwenga name Juburingo, at the National Shrine. Mushore, who joined the liberation struggle in 1972, was declared a national hero last Friday after his death on June 13. Ndomashoko arikuda panguva inoi aiwa arikuonekwa kuti VP panguva inoi aiwa vanyatsokuratidza kuti havachatolerate zvisina basa ende vari kuramba zvigananda, vari kutova vari against 2030. Kunyange zvavo vari kuramba vari silent, but his moves they are speaking very loud. Enda comment section medu kuti mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, choti on the bell icon.